Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Mocoin, its price prediction 2025, that in next year mega bullion how much profit we can spare from this meme coin because already it's $1.3 billion market cap. So is it is possible that we can see more coin at least 10 to maybe 50x from here? Is it possible that we can see more market cap up to 30 to maybe $50 billion in next year mega bullion or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the company here. Fresh smoke current price $5.033, and since last Thursday we see a massive rally in more price. You can see 72% pump in last 30 days, 40% pump in last 14 days, 39% pump in last 7 days. This is amazing. $1.3 billion market cap already. This is good, friends. $103 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is again amazing. Ethereum and Bex ecosystem meme coin, we are only 15% down the all time high. That was just 4 days ago. So recently, as I told you, we see a massive rally here, and at that time, this meme coin has max new all time high here, and we are 75,000% up then all time low. Coin is already killed three zeros. Okay, three zeros before starting off next button. So this is amazing. Huge return already for this meme coin, and already listed on Coinbase. So this is amazing. Listen for this meme coin. This is a meme coin and listed on Coinbase, but friends, Coinbase is listed, but still Binance did not list this coin. Okay, get.io, Bybit has listed, even Kraken has listed this coin, but you will not find Binance yet here. But it's also possible that we can see Binance listing soon, maybe in Binance future list, but not in Binance Spot yet. You can see Crypto.com has also listed this coin. So friends, almost centralized listings are done here. In my previous videos about Mocoin, I already show you this website. You can see Mo, the first internet culture coin. Okay, and I think I shared this meme coin with you under $300 million market cap, and you see watch 2 or 3 months ago's videos. Then this meme coin I first time share with you. I think under $300 million market cap. So already we are 4x here in Mo, and Ali listed on these central exchanges. Friends, is I will show you more ways to buy Monk. You can see, friends, Binance is still not here, but all other major central exchanges has already listed this coin. But definitely Binance will soon list this coin, and the source best ecosystem meme coin, and you can buy on Ethereum dexes also. Okay, and you can see about all details here. And first, I see on base scan 136,000 holders for this meme coin. This is amazing, and these are the top holders of this meme coin. Okay, Wells are holding this coin. I can see 7% of supply. Wallet 2 has 6.8% of supply. Wallet 3rd has 6.5% of supply. Wallet 4th is 5.7% of supply. Almost 8 wallets has more than 5% of supply each wallet holding. So this is, I think, not good for those who holding this coin in the like a low amount. I can see wallet number 28 is Coinbase holding 0.5% of supply. So this is somehow good, because right now we can now say this meme coin will be rugged, because already has $1.3 billion market cap, and Coinbase has already listed this coin. So I think this is very bullish for this meme coin, and definitely Binance will also list this meme coin soon. And first, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is already $1.3 billion here, so already this is huge, but this is safe meme coin. This is potential strong meme coin, so it's also possible that we can see more market cap up to maybe 10 to $20 billion in next year mega bullion. But friends, this is also possible in next year super cycle meme coin. This can be reached maybe $30 billion here. Okay, it's really possible that we can see Mog up to maybe 20 to $30 billion market cap, and still Mog has potential to do 30x from here. So this is my own price prediction. What do you think about your price prediction about Mog? Are you holding or no? You can must comment down below.